If you're watching this video, chances are you are eager to learn how pipeline works and you want to learn how to build one in your Zoho CRM account. And you all know that Zoho CRM is a very powerful tool that helps you manage customer relationships. It has everything you need in a perfect CRM. And now you all know that if you want to be able to navigate through your sales process, you need to have a streamlined pipeline, a sales pipeline. Now, we all know that a well-structured pipeline is a very, very important tool in your sales process. Now, a pipeline represents the different stages of your sales journey, helping you track your deals from start to finish. That means it helps you to track your deal from when you get the lead, even up to when they become a customer. Now, it is a roadmap that helps your sales team be able to navigate through different deals and at different stages. By having a clear view of your pipeline, you can be able to identify the bottlenecks and you can be able to prioritize the different deals that need urgent attention. And you can also be able to know which deal is in which stages and which stages need to be looked at or which deal needs to be prioritized more than the other. In this video, I am going to walk you through a step-by-step process of creating a custom pipeline in your Zoho CRM account. We will cover everything that has to do from setting up the account into customizing them to fit your unique sales process. Whether you are new to Zoho CRM or you want to optimize your existing setup, in this tutorial provides you the knowledge you need to build effective and efficient sales pipeline. Okay, so let's dive right into it and let's create a custom pipeline in Zoho CRM. So right now I am currently in my Zoho CRM account, and what I want to do is I want to create a pipeline like I said. So I am going to go into settings. I am going to click on settings. Then I am going to click on pipeline under customization. Now, as you can see, I have two pipelines here already. So what I want to do is I want to create a new pipeline, and I am going to click on new pipeline, and I am going to name this pipeline. Okay, now so I want to create a pipeline for a marketing agency, and that's why I'm naming this like this. The layout is going to be standard. I only have standard, and I want to add stages. And now, as you can see, I have different stages, but what I want to do is I want to create new stages for this. Okay, so as you can see, I have different stages, and what I want to do is I want to use some of the stages and also add in some of it myself. And what I want to do is I want to click on create new stage, or I can just click on one of this, then I can go ahead and click on save. Now, as you can see, I have a new pipeline, which is the marketing pipeline, and I only have one stage under it. So what I'm going to do is I am going to click on add stages, and since the stages I want is not here, I am going to click on add new stage, create new stage. Now I am going to name the stage. The first stage is when they fill the form, and the second stage is the lead qualification. So I am going to add in the next stage as lead qualification. The second stage will be lead qualification, and the percentage, and you can add in whatever percentage you want to use for this particular stage. So for this particular stage, I am adding in 20%, and I am selecting a category for this, and I am naming it open, and it is a pipeline, and I am leaving it as a pipeline, and I will click on done. Yeah, so the second stage has been added. Then you are going to do this same process for all your stages, and what you want to do is you want to make sure that you add in those stages according to the sales process. So when I click on add stages, then I click on create new stage, and I want to add in the next stage, which is the initial contact. So I want to add in initial contact to this, and I am going to be adding the percentage for this initial contact. Now, this is the third stage, and I'm going to click on open, and I'm going to click on pipeline also, then I'm going to click on done. Now, you want to repeat the same process for every of the stages you have. Okay, so as you can see, I have added in the stages of the pipeline, and I want to add in the one and the last stages. So I'm going to click on add stages. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to add in the closed one, and the close loss to competition. Now I have all my stages in my pipeline, and as you can see, the first stage is the form field, the lead qualification, the initial contact and needs assessment, the proposal development, proposal presentation, and up to close one and close loss to competition. So now what you want to do is you want to click on save. Okay, so now that has been saved. What you want to do now is you want to click on this three icon, this 3 points, and you want to set as default. Now, what this is going to do is that this will be the first pipeline that you are going to see in your deal module. So when you go back to your deal module, you are going to be seeing that first pipeline. The pipeline we just created because it has been set as default. Okay, so I am in my deal module now, and as you can see, my marketing pipeline was set as the default view. And now this is because I can see that we have this as the default view. And what I want to do now is I can create a deal under each stages of this pipeline. And that is it. We have successfully created and customized a pipeline in Zoho CRM. And with this kind of pipeline, you can track in each deal in each stages, and to make sure that no deal is falling out of any of this track. So if you found this video useful, make sure to give this a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more contents like this, for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and I am going to see you in the next video. Bye.